In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to use the Drift Wood Car Air Freshener and give you a quick little review on it. So the reason I got this particular air freshener is because it's supposed to be all the good and none of the bad. It is GMO friendly, cruelty-free, pet friendly, and vegan if you're into that. They make these with scents, with premium, natural-born, essential, and fragrance oil blends. No parabens, no DEA or mineral oil, and it's just all the good stuff. So the way you use this thing is this is the clip that you mount onto your visor into your car, and then here is the wood car freshener. Now I went with pine. They have, I think, like 5 different scents. Let's see what this one looks like. All right, looks like it's got probably the magnet right here. And it says Drift. So what you do is you put it on this flat side here. You mount this on your visor. And it magnetically snaps on. Put it in your visor. And there you go. You have a wood car air freshener that's supposed to last up to 30 days with each freshener. Now, if you do want to make these things go a little bit further, I have heard of people taking their own oils, putting it in a Ziploc bag with this wood block, and kind of putting their own freshener scent into it just to reuse these things. Or you could just buy a new block every 30 days. I'm sure they got some type of subscription model. But there you go. It gives you a good look of how to use the Drift Wood Car Air Freshener.